If you've ever felt your legs dragging, your energy crashing by midday, or your confidence just not what it used to be, hold on a second. You might think it's just age creeping up, but what if I told you the problem could be sitting right on your breakfast plate? A simple morning habit might be quietly holding back your health. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to change that with easy-to-find foods that'll have you feeling energized and confident every single day. Let's get started. Beets, the unsung hero for your blood vessels. Picture this. You wake up feeling your blood flowing stronger, your muscles more flexible, and your whole day buzzing with vitality. Sounds amazing, right? Let me introduce you to the first hero of your breakfast, beets. You might not have thought of beets for breakfast, but they're a game changer for improving blood flow, especially for men over 40. Why are beets so important? Beets are packed with natural nitrates, a compound that helps your body produce nitric oxide. What's nitric oxide? Think of it as a traffic cop for your blood vessels, helping them relax and widen to improve blood flow from head to toe. The result? Less cold hands and feet, fewer muscle cramps, and even better pelvic health, a key factor for men's confidence. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2015, found that just 80 grams of cooked beets daily can lower resting blood pressure by 5.7 mmHg in just 4 weeks. That doesn't just mean a healthier heart. It means more oxygen to your muscles so you can walk longer, work out better, and feel younger. How to add beets to your breakfast. It's not complicated at all. Just steam or roast 80 grams of beets, about 1 small beet, then dice them up and toss them into your morning scramble or salad. Their subtle sweetness adds a fun twist to your breakfast. A quick tip: if you have a history of kidney stones, skip raw beet juice as it's high in oxalates. Cooked beets are much safer. I once worked with a patient, Mr. Nam, 62 years old, who started adding beets to his breakfast after complaining about nighttime leg cramps. After just 3 weeks, he told me, "My cramps are gone and I feel like I'm 10 years younger." Pretty incredible, right? What's next? Greek yogurt, your steady energy source for the day. All right, we've talked about beets, a superfood that gets your blood flowing strong. Now let's dive into another fantastic breakfast buddy, plain Greek yogurt. Ever thought a simple cup of yogurt could make you stronger, more active, and even ease those annoying muscle aches? Let's explore why this is a must-have for men over 40. What does Greek yogurt do for you? Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty breakfast option, it's a nutritional powerhouse. A 200-gram serving delivers about 20 grams of protein, an impressive amount that helps repair and maintain your muscles, especially as age starts to slow things down. Plus, it's loaded with key electrolytes like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which keep your nerves and muscles running smoothly. But here's the real kicker. During fermentation, Greek yogurt produces bioactive peptides that inhibit an enzyme called angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE. No need to be a doctor to get this. When ACE is blocked, your body makes more nitric oxide, that same hero we talked about with beets. Nitric oxide helps your blood vessels relax, improving blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and preventing muscle cramps. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition, 2018, showed that regularly eating protein-rich yogurt improves muscle strength and reduces the risk of muscle loss in men over 50. Plus, the electrolytes in yogurt help balance blood pressure and boost circulation, keeping you energized all day long. How to add Greek yogurt to your breakfast. Adding Greek yogurt to your morning routine is a breeze. Just grab 200 grams of plain Greek yogurt, drizzle on a bit of honey for natural sweetness, and sprinkle some nuts or fresh fruit on top. You've got a delicious, protein-packed breakfast to kickstart your day. If you're lactose intolerant, no problem. There are plenty of lactose-free or plant-based Greek yogurt options with the same benefits. Take the story of Tuan, a 58-year-old patient of mine. He used to eat sugary cereal every morning and felt exhausted by noon. When I suggested switching to Greek yogurt with fruit, just 4 weeks later he said, "No more cramps when I walk." and my body feels so much stronger. A small change with big results. Moving on, blueberries, tiny gems for energy and endurance. We've just uncovered the power of Greek yogurt, a fantastic ally for stronger muscles and better blood flow. Now let's shift to a small but mighty food, blueberries. Don't let their tiny size fool you. These berries are a nutritional goldmine, especially for men over 40, helping you feel energized and ready to tackle the day. Why are blueberries a superfood for health? Blueberries are loaded with a special compound called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant purple hue. When you eat blueberries, anthocyanins are converted into phenolic acids, which boost your body's production of nitric oxide. Yep, that same nitric oxide you've heard about. It acts like a gatekeeper, opening up your blood vessels to improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and deliver more oxygen to your muscles and vital organs. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition, 2019, found that eating just 1 cup, about 150 g, of blueberries daily can boost nitric oxide levels by up to 20% within a few hours. What does that mean? More flexible muscles, fewer cramps, and even potential improvements in pelvic health, a key factor for men's confidence. Plus, blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce stress on your blood vessels and support heart health. I once met Hung, a 55-year-old who thought blueberries were just a snack. When I suggested adding a cup to his breakfast, he laughed, "How can these tiny berries help me?" But after 3 weeks, he came back and said, "I'm walking longer without getting tired, and I feel like there's a new spark in me." That's the power of these little blueberries. How to add blueberries to your breakfast. Adding blueberries to your morning is as easy as it gets. Mix 1 cup, 150 g, of fresh or frozen blueberries into your Greek yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie, or just eat them with a handful of nuts. Pro tip: for maximum benefits, eat your blueberries about 2 to 3 hours before exercising or your morning walk. This helps your body tap into that nitric oxide boost for better performance. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with half a cup of blueberries and gradually work up to a full cup to get used to the fiber. A cup of blueberries isn't just delicious, it's like adding a layer of energy to your day. Now it's time. Walnuts, nature's tiny gift for big strength. We've just explored the magic of blueberries, those little gems that boost blood flow and energy. Next up, let's talk about a food you might have overlooked. Walnuts. Don't let their humble appearance fool you. Just a small handful of walnuts each morning can kickstart your day with healthier blood vessels, more flexible muscles, and a surge of confidence. Why are walnuts so special? Walnuts are a fantastic source of arginine, an essential amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide. You're familiar with this hero by now, right? Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, improving blood flow and ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, heart, and other key areas, including the pelvic region, a vital factor for men's health. A study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2017, showed that eating 30 g of walnuts daily, about a small handful, can improve blood vessel function and reduce arterial stiffness in men over 50. That means less muscle stiffness, less fatigue, and even fewer issues with physical performance. Plus, walnuts are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which protect your blood vessels from stress and inflammation. I worked with Long, a 65-year-old who always felt sluggish in the mornings. When I suggested adding walnuts to his breakfast, he was skeptical. What can a few nuts do? But after a month of sprinkling 30 g of walnuts on his Greek yogurt, he reported feeling lighter, like my blood's flowing better. He even started walking farther without getting tired. How to add walnuts to your breakfast. Adding walnuts to your morning routine couldn't be simpler. Grab 30 g, a small handful of walnuts. Lightly toast them for extra flavor and sprinkle them over your Greek yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or pair them with blueberries. Their rich, nutty flavor pairs perfectly with other foods, making your breakfast both tasty and nutritious. A few quick notes. If you're allergic to nuts, steer clear of walnuts. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or a sensitive stomach, start with a smaller portion, about 15 g, to ease into the fiber. And don't worry about calories. 30 grams of walnuts gives you just the right energy boost without overdoing it. Turn your breakfast into a health game changer. What a journey we've had exploring 4 breakfast superfoods: beets, Greek yogurt, blueberries, and walnuts. Each one packs a punch to improve blood flow, boost energy, and help you, men over 40, reclaim your confidence and vitality. Now let's tie it all together and turn this knowledge into real action. Ready to make a change? Let's take that final step. All right, guys, it's time to take charge. Commit to trying one of these 4 foods for breakfast tomorrow. Just one small change can bring a warm glow to your body, stronger steps, and even more confidence in those important moments. You don't have to do it all at once. Just pick one and start. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with a friend, family member, or anyone who could use a health boost. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome health tips. And in the comments, let me know, which food are you trying for breakfast tomorrow? Or if you've got a go-to breakfast that keeps you energized, share it with me. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, your health starts with small choices, and breakfast is your first step to rewriting your story. See you in the next video.